It's Elia Burgueño-rayo. I'm a client success manager with InEight here in EMEA. I'm located in the Netherlands. I joined InEight about 5 years, almost 6 years ago, as a project delivery consultant. And then I moved to pre-sales, and then I'm back in services after we won an opportunity with a Norwegian company here in Europe. Probably by my accent, obviously I'm not Dutch and I'm not North American either. I'm Spanish. I was born in Barcelona, and before I moved to the Netherlands, I actually worked in the United States. That's where I met InEight. I was a project controller specialist. I'm a civil engineer by trade, and I actually implemented a couple of the InEight solutions in my former company. That's how I got to know InEight and got to work for InEight. My mom, she actually teaches art history. She studied that, so I always enjoyed going to museums or visiting cities and visiting buildings with her. And I've been doing that since I was young, like probably, with 8, 9 years old, I was already visiting museums with her and enjoying that experience. So that actually brought me to realize that I also was good at drawing. And I like and enjoy drawing a lot. I even went to, like, after school to a drawing school to learn how to draw better. And that brought me to think that, yeah, I want to be dedicated to something that has to do with buildings and art and history. And I enrolled in civil engineering in Spain, in Barcelona. Even when I finished my bachelor's degree, I actually also started a master's degree in architectural restoration, which kind of combines the civil engineering world and art history. So that was kind of my passion. But yeah, you never know where life is going to take you. So I'm happy where I am right now, but I still like and enjoy visiting cities, museums, and I enjoy a lot the architecture and building world. That I led the implementation of a technology solution, right, a digital transformation in my former company. I've always believed that digital transformation and work through technology and improve how we were working before through technology was kind of like a key to the success of our company. So that's what I do with InEight, but for a lot of companies, for other companies in other regions of the world. So I love and I enjoy being part of digital transformations, but also doing it for companies all over the globe. It's really what makes me wake up in the morning and be excited about the work and the job that we do. I think construction is obviously an old trade, right? It will always be there. We will always need new buildings or restore existing buildings or highways, tunnels, bridges, new power plants. So it's an industry that it will always be needed. So there's always work and future there, that's for sure. But also you have the chance to actually physically see and touch while you build something, while something is being created from scratch. That is, I don't know, that brings to me a lot of satisfaction, and see that I think it's a passion. You can enjoy it while you're drawing it, while you are modeling it, while you are actually executing it, while you are actually commissioning or using that asset. So it actually involves different stages, right? But construction is definitely an industry that it brings people with passion. And you can create a very good family environment. You can make a lot of friends. You can visit the world with construction. So I'd say that I studied civil engineering, and I thought that I would be on site and with my boots, and I've done that, and I was happy while I was doing that. But now I work in a different way, still visiting job sites, still working and talking with construction people, but in a different manner, and that makes me happy too. So it's definitely, again, you can come from the game industry, you can come from the banking industry. There's always a space for you in the construction industry, because there's a lot of things that need to happen to build something up.